Welcome to the email marketing session. In this session, we will explore the fundamentals of email marketing, including its purpose, benefits, best practices, and tools. We will also discuss how to create effective email campaigns, how to segment your audience, and how to measure the success of your campaigns using metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Whether you're new to email marketing or looking to improve your current strategy, this session will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to help you achieve your marketing goals. So get ready to learn and discover new ways to engage your audience and grow your business with email marketing. Email marketing is a form of digital marketing that involves sending commercial messages to a group of people via email. The messages can be promotional, informative, or educational in nature, and are typically sent to subscribers who have opted in to receive communications from the sender. The goal of email marketing is to build relationships with customers or prospects, drive sales, and increase brand awareness. To achieve this, email marketers typically use various tactics such as personalized messaging, segmentation, automation, and tracking metrics like open and click-through rates. Email marketing has been a popular marketing channel for many years due to its effectiveness, affordability, and ability to reach a wide audience. However, email marketers must follow certain rules and regulations, such as obtaining consent from subscribers, providing an option to unsubscribe, and complying with anti-spam laws to avoid being labeled as spam. A method of attracting, engaging, and delighting people to grow a business that provides value and build trust. As technology shifts, inbound guides a company to do business in a human and helpful way. So let's start your first topic, which is how does email and the inbound methodology intersect? There are 3 key stages on any marketing plan. First is attract, second is engage, and third is delight. If you are willing to do a proper marketing, you need to understand these 3 stages very carefully. First stage is attract. It refers to the ability of any campaign to capture the attention and interest of the recipients. It is the process of creating content, design, and messaging that is compelling enough to make the recipient want to open and read the email. Attracting recipients can be achieved through several techniques, such as using attention-grabbing subject lines, including personalized content, using visually appealing design, and providing valuable offers or information that is relevant to the recipient's interests or needs. By attracting the recipients, email marketers can increase the chances of the email being opened, read, and acted upon, which can lead to higher engagement rates and conversions. So the question is how to do it. For the sales team, you can do Q&A through live chat on your website. And for service team, provide knowledge documents that help others to find your company. Second stage is engagement. It refers to the level of interaction or response that an email receives from its recipients. This can include actions such as opening the email, clicking on links within the email, replying to the email, forwarding it, or even marking it as spam. Engagement is a key metric in email marketing as it indicates the effectiveness of the email campaign in capturing the recipient's attention and encouraging them to take action. High engagement rates are generally indicative of a successful campaign, while low engagement rates may indicate a need for improvement in the campaign's content, design, or targeting. Email marketers can measure engagement using various metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribe rates. By tracking and analyzing these metrics, email marketers can optimize their campaigns to improve engagement and drive better results. The third stage is delight. Delight is where you can turn your customer into your best marketer. You can say word of mouth or reference. By delighting the recipients, email marketers can create a positive association with their brand and improve customer loyalty, advocacy, and retention. Delighted recipients are more likely to engage with future email campaigns, make repeat purchases, and refer others to the brand. Overall, delighting the recipients should be an integral part of any email marketing strategy as it can have a significant impact on the long-term success of the brand. Before going to the second topic, subscribe to my channel to stay updated and never miss out on the latest content.